Security guard charged with murder. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Kurt Gardner, a 41-year-old security guard of Maple Leaf Avenue in Kingston 11, has been slapped with several charges including murder after he reportedly fatally shot another security guard in Kingston on May 29, 2020. The charges were laid against Gardner on Friday, May 13, 2022, after he eluded police for 2 years. Dead is Esric Lawson, otherwise called Tata, a 56-year-old security guard of White Lane address also in Kingston 11. Reports are that around 5:05 p.m. Lawson was at a restaurant in Kingston when Gardner and his accomplice drove up. Gardner and his accomplice exited the vehicle and opened fire at Lawson, who received multiple gunshot wounds to the upper part of the body. Both men then escaped in a motor car. Lawson was taken to the Kingston Public Hospital where he succumbed to his injuries. Gardner was yesterday charged with murder, conspiracy to commit murder, 3 counts of illegal possession of firearm, and 4 counts of illegal possession of ammunition. His court date is to be finalized. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.
Links TV. Entertainment with a difference. Subscribe now to Links TV.